EagleRidge Utah is your expert for bathroom remodeling in Eagle Mountain, Utah, 84005. We specialize in transforming your bathroom into a modern, efficient, and aesthetically pleasing space, all while enhancing the value of your home. We begin with a detailed consultation to understand your needs, followed by a custom design plan that focuses on both functionality and style. Our experienced team at EagleRidge Utah ensures that your project remains within budget and on time. We embrace the latest design trends, including minimalist styles, eco-friendly materials, and smart lighting solutions, all while delivering high-quality craftsmanship throughout the process. Our bathroom remodeling services in Eagle Mountain, Utah, 84005, cover all aspects of renovation. We handle everything from demolition and removal of old fixtures to structural modifications if needed. Our team can manage plumbing installation, electrical work, and even the installation of advanced ventilation and waterproofing systems. We also offer expert tile, bathtub, and shower installations, as well as toilet, vanity, and countertop replacements. Beyond the basics, we specialize in custom cabinetry, flooring options, and even luxury additions like radiant heating, smart technology integration, and spa features. We also offer accessibility modifications to ensure your bathroom is safe and comfortable for everyone. Our team handles all the details, including final cleaning and debris removal, so you can enjoy your newly renovated bathroom stress-free. Choose EagleRidge Utah for your next bathroom remodel and see how we can turn your vision into reality with our comprehensive and tailored services in Eagle Mountain, Utah, 84005. Call us at 801-784-1457 for a free estimate, and let's get started today.